You're on a budget and you don't want to pay for an expensive setup. Nowadays, our latest smartphone can record HD to 4K videos. You don't need to purchase yourself a $1,000 camera like the Sony RXV. You want a lightweight and portable device to give you the angle shots from your smartphone. Welcome to DJI Osmo Mobile 2, a handheld smartphone gimbal to easily take selfies or share your story to the world. There's a lot to cover about the product, but you're interested about the product, check the description down below. In this video, I'll cover the most important parts, so let's start. When you open the box, fully charge the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 device using any USB micro cable of your choice, or you can use the one provided. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge to give you a 15-hour battery life. Not so bad. Next, I'll attach my iPhone 6s, and I highly recommend you have portrait orientation lock off for your smartphone. And then tighten the holder lock knob on the back to ensure your phone stays secure. Ensure that the back balance adjustment knob is also tightened. Now it's time to turn on the gimbal. Press and hold the power mode button for about a second to turn on, and eventually you'll see your gimbal starts moving. You can move the joystick to the left to turn left, or you can move the joystick to the right to turn right. When I capture videos, I personally use the Filmic Pro and DJI Go app so they can sync up with my gimbal and record videos easily by hitting the shutter record button on my gimbal instead of me having to physically touch my phone screen to record. You can also charge your smartphone from the gimbal. If you want to simultaneously charge and record, make sure you're running vertical mode, not horizontal mode, because it makes life easier. In the end, I found it to be a worthy investment. I created a few unboxing videos so far using the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and you can check them out here. Stay tuned for the next episode.